Imagine taking everything you know about fractions and turning the difficulty dial up just a little bit. That's what rational expressions are. A rational expression is just a fraction where the top and bottom are algebra expressions. So instead of 2 over 5, you might see x plus 2 over x minus 3. The first big skill is simplifying. To simplify a rational expression, we factor the top and the bottom, then cancel any factors that are exactly the same. For example, if we have x squared minus 9 on top and x minus 3 on the bottom, we can factor the top as x minus 3 times x plus 3. Now we see an x minus 3 on the top and on the bottom. Those are matching factors, so they cancel. We're left with x plus 3. One important reminder: we can only cancel factors, not terms that are just being added or subtracted. Next up, multiplying rational expressions. This one is friendly. Multiply the tops together, multiply the bottoms together, then factor and simplify. Often it's easier if you factor first, cancel any common factors, and then multiply what's left. Same answer, less work. Division is almost the same with one extra step. To divide by a rational expression, we multiply by its reciprocal. That means we flip the second fraction. So a over b divided by c over d becomes a over b times d over c. Then we multiply and simplify like before. Addition and subtraction are a little different because we need a common denominator. If the denominators already match, that's perfect. We just add or subtract the numerators and keep the denominator the same. If the denominators are different, we factor them and build a common denominator that includes all the factors we need. Then we rewrite each fraction so they share that denominator. After that, we combine the numerators and simplify if we can. Through all of this, one rule never changes. The denominator can't be 0. So we always keep in mind which values of x would make the denominator 0, and we exclude them. If you'd like to turn explanations like this into your own clean animated videos, check out vidfactory.ai. You can create your own explainer videos quickly, without needing to be a designer or a video editor. Thanks for watching, and keep practicing those rational expressions.